Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. In fact, welcome to this fort, which is being completely overgrown, this childhood fort for my kids that's being overgrown by this fruit forest canopy. And really makes a convenient place to come check out this amazing tree, which is called the Moringa Tree. Has the beneficial properties of basically a piece of broccoli, which is pretty darn good. So it's like a vegetable tree that can grow right in your backyard. Look at this, these seed pods. Amazing, amazing candlestick-like seed pods. Have you ever seen anything like that? It's crazy. Let's look inside and see what they look like. Okay, so here we go. Process is you just kind of spread it open, and along the whole inside of the plant will be these amazing seeds like this. Now, the key to having these grow is to take your fingernail and take off a bit of the shell.